Welcome back. This is Tan Investing. Today we would be looking at five more best Canadian TSX stocks that you could buy for June 2021. And the first stock would be the Canadian Tire. So Canadian Tire Corporation, it's a limited and it's a Canadian-based company which operates throughout a range of businesses. The company operates segments which include retail segment, the CT REIT segment, and the financial service segment. Its retail segment operates through its retail banners, including Canadian Tire, Part Source, Petroleum, Gas Plus, Marks, Marks Warehouse, um, Helly Hansen, Sport Check, Sports Experts, Atmosphere, Pro Hockey Life, National Sports, Sports Rouge, the Hockey Experts, and the CT REITs. It's engaged in owning and developing and leasing of commercial properties. Financial services include business carried out by Canadian Tire and the CTFS Bermuda Limited. As you can see here, the 55 years chart that I have brought up here for you. You can see the 5-year chart, the 52 weeks range. If you were to look at it, it used to be around 97.31, and that was back in March of 2020, of course. And then the 52 weeks high is $213.85. At the moment, it's trading at $207.86, and it does give you a dividend, which is about 2.23%, which is about $1.17 per share that you're holding. And the market cap is about 12 billion, and the ex-dividend date is on July the 29th. The second stock that we will be looking at is the Canadian Utility, ticker symbol CU.TO. Canadian Utility Limited is a Canadian-based company as well that offers services in areas of electricity, pipeline, liquids, and retail energy. The company segment include electricity, pipeline and liquid, and corporate and others. The electricity segment include ATCO Electric, ATCO Power, Albert Powerline, and the ATCO Power Australia. Together, these businesses provide electricity generation, transmission, distributions, and related infrastructure solutions in Alberta, Ontario, the Yukon, the Northwest Territories, Australia, and Mexico. Pipeline and liquid segment includes ATCO Gas, ATCO Pipeline, ATCO Gas Australia, ATCO Energy Solution. These businesses provide integrated natural gas transmission, distribution, and storage, industrial water solutions and related infrastructure development throughout Alberta, the Lloydminster area of Saskatchewan, and Western Australia and Mexico. Corporate and other segments include ATCO's Energy, a retail electricity and natural gas business in Alberta. And if you were to look at the chart, 5-year chart here, you can see how it has been very close to 40 to 43 range. And if you look at the 52 weeks range, it's 29.96 low, 35.63 being the highest. At the moment, it is trading very close to the 52 weeks high. It's $35.33. And it does provide you a dividend, which is 4.95%, which means you would get 43 cents per share that you're holding. The ex-dividend date has passed. It was on May the 5th. The next one that we will be looking at is a REIT, Dream Industrial, DIR.UN. Dream Industrial Real Estate Investment Trust is an open-ended real estate investment trust. The trust objective is to provide growth and to its portfolio and return to its unit holders. The trust has approximately 186 assets and 280 industrial buildings, comprising approximately 28.9 billion square foot of gross leasable areas across North America and Europe industrial markets. Its property includes in Western Canada, and the United States and Europe. The trust portfolio consists of distribution buildings, urban logistics building, light industrial properties across Canada, the United States and Europe. The distribution buildings are located close to transportation corridors. Its urban logistics buildings are located close to the population center. Its light industrial buildings are single tenant property. And you can see the 5-year chart. The 5-year high used to be about around $14. It is trading close to the 52 weeks high and the 5-year high, which is $14.20. It does provide you a dividend, which is 4.89%. So you would get 5 cents per share that you're holding. The ex-dividend date has passed. It was on April the 29th. The market cap on this one is 3.3 billion. The next stock that we will cover on this video is going to be Emera. And Emera is a Canadian-based energy and service company. The company invests in electricity generations, transmissions and distributions, and gas transmissions and distribution. Its segment include Florida Electricity Utility, which consists of Tampa Electric and Electric Utility, Canadian Electric Utilities, which include Nova Scotia Power Inc., and the Electric Utility, and Emera Newfoundland and Labrador Holdings Inc., consisting of 2 transmission investment. Other electric utilities, which include Emera Caribbean Incorporated, a holding company with the regulated electric utilities that include Barbados Light and Power Company Limited and Grand Bahama Power Company Limited. Gas utilities and infrastructure, which include People Gas System, New Mexico Gas Company Inc., Seacoast Gas Transmissions LLC, and Emera New Brunswick Pipeline Company Limited. And if you were to look at the 5-year chart, it has been very close to the it has been very close to $60. The 52 weeks high used to be about $58.67, low $49.66. At the moment, it is trading at $56.42. It does provide you a dividend, which is 4.51%. So you would get 63 cents for each share that you're holding. And the ex-dividend date has passed. It's on April the 30th. And the market cap on this company is 14 billion. The last company that we will be looking at is Enbridge. Enbridge is an energy infrastructure company with a business platform that includes a network of crude oil, liquid, and natural gas pipeline, regulated natural gas distribution, utilities, and renewable power generation. It operates through 5 segments: liquid pipelines, gas transmissions and midstream, gas distributions, green power and transmission, and energy services. Liquid pipeline consists of pipeline and related terminals that transport various grades of crude oil and other liquid hydrocarbons. Gas transmission and midstream consist of its investment in natural gas pipelines and gathering and processing facilities, including the U.S. gas transmission and Canadian gas transmissions and midstream. Gas distribution consists of natural gas utility operation. Green power and transmissions consist of investment in renewable energy assets and transmission facilities. The energy service business undertake physical commodity, marketing activity, and logical services. And you can take a look at the 5-year chart here. So you can see it was very close to $60 back in 2017, 2016. At the moment, it's trading at $46.53. It does provide you very high yield, which is 7.11%, which means you would get 83 cents per share that you're holding. And the 52 weeks high is $49.13. Low is $35.80. And it does have a market cap of $94 billion. And the ex-dividend date just passed on May the 13th. So thank you so much for tuning in and listening to my updates on 5 stocks that you could possibly purchase in 2021 of this year, June. And if you do really like my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me, and turn on those post notifications so you can get notified. If you have any other comments that you want to include in the video, please do so. Thank you so much for taking your time to listening to my conversation today, and you have yourself a great day.